Hey everybody, it's Becca, and I wanted to touch on a couple of things about the New Jeweler University. First of all, if you are new to Premier, welcome to the Premier family. And New Jeweler University is really designed for any jeweler who wants some training, but it's geared toward the new jeweler because we're going to hit some very basic things in the first couple of sessions. But really beyond that, any jeweler can join in on the meeting. So let me explain what this is. First of all, if you go to the Glitz Connection group page, which y'all are all members of, you should be, under the events tab is where you're going to see the New Jeweler University event. So if you're trying to find the link, this is where you're going to go. You're going to go to Glitz Connection group and then go to events, and then you're going to click on New Jeweler University. Now Amy is probably going to be the one each week to post the link, and more than likely you're going to find it right in here in the feed, okay, on the event page. She has not posted it yet, but I'm going to show you how to use Zoom. So before you check out, if you already know how to use Zoom, let me tell you a couple of things. New Jeweler University, like I said, is for any jeweler, but especially if you haven't been able to come to trainings locally or you're out of town. I really would encourage you to come tonight. We'll probably do some introductions, and Zoom is a video conferencing program, okay? It's free, or you can get it on your phone as an app. And I want for you to meet other people in our Premier family, but I really want you to meet Amy, who's going to be doing tonight's training, as well as hopefully Chris will be on there, and Rhonda. That is your upline. Now Amy you're not in Amy's 10-10-10, which means she does not make 10% off of you, but she is the one who brought Premier to our area where I live. So I really would love for you to meet her and for her to meet you as well. And also I'm assuming Rhonda and Chris will also be in there too. So this all starts at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So for you girls who are not on Eastern time, you can make that note, and I hope you can come. All right, so if you have done Zoom before, then you can pretty much check out at this point. Just know this is where you're going to come, okay, to find the link. And I'm going to assume she's going to post it right in here, and all you do is click on that link and you know how to use Zoom. Okay, for those of you who don't know how to use Zoom, stick around. All right, so Amy posted, make sure you download Zoom to your computer or get the app on your phone to join the meeting tonight. All right, so to get Zoom on your computer, I have to scroll up here. Okay, you just type in Zoom. Let me go all the way out. Okay, you type zoom.us, enter. This is if you're on your laptop or computer, and you're going to get your main screen. I already have an account, so it's not going to let me sign up again, but you just put in your email address and click sign up for free, and you'll be good to go. Once you do that and you are over here, okay, on our event page, when she puts in that Zoom link, all you'll do is click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to pop you right into the meeting. Now, because she's sending us a link, you won't have to worry about this part. It will automatically get you right to the meeting that we're trying to join, okay? So I don't want you to get confused about this part. I'm showing you because just in case there was some kind of glitch, you would know to log into Zoom, and then you would put in your meeting ID. But Amy is going to post a link that will literally take us right in, and it will automatically start twirling and saying you're trying to join the meeting, and then you should pop right in. Now once you're in Zoom, I don't have a meeting set up, but once you're in there, there's going to be down at the bottom, I should have done this, but you will see a little microphone, and it's going to be down in the corner, and you could click on that to mute yourself so that if you have background noise, matter of fact, if you do have background noise, you'll definitely want to mute yourself because it's very distracting to everybody else. You can turn the video on and off. If you cannot do it from a computer or whatever, you want to call in, there is a call in option, and I'm assuming that Amy will put that call in option over here on this page as well. But I just wanted to show you, this is what the website itself looks like. But again, you're just going to click on the link and it will pop you right into the meeting. But you will want to go and sign up today before the meeting. Don't wait until like 2 minutes before the meeting. Go ahead and enter your email address and sign up for free, and that way when you click the link, it'll pop you right in. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you on my phone, but I will just tell you really quick, if you go to the App Store, no matter what kind of device you have, and you're going to just type in the word Zoom and do a search, and it is called Zoom Cloud Meetings, okay? And it is a blue, let's see if they have it. This is what the app icon looks like, except it's blue. It's more this color with the little video camera on it, so that you'll know you have the right app. You will have to download the app if you want to use a mobile device. Like I said, make sure you do all this, sometime today. Don't wait until 5 minutes before the meeting because it might take a few minutes. I don't know. And then from your phone or mobile device, you will just go to Facebook, go to the Glitz Connection group. Okay, same thing. Click on events from your phone and go to New Jeweler University. And when you see this link down here, you'll just click on it. And I think what it'll say on your phone is open in app or something like that. And you'll click that and it will send you right into the meeting. If you have any trouble, I will be on my computer at 9 o'clock. And if you have trouble, all right, maybe you want to try to get in there a couple of minutes early so that if you have any issues, then you can message me and say, this is what my screen says, what do I do? And I'll try to help you. Again, you can turn your video on and off, but unless you're just, super shy, we want to see your face. It's like Hollywood Squares, there's like everybody's picture will show up across the screen within Zoom. It's really pretty neat. And then she'll do the training. We will all mute ourselves so that Amy can do the training. Y'all, it's going to be fun. I hope you'll be there, especially you new jewelers. I know some of you are not going to be working your premier business in a traditional way, like doing home parties, but I really want to encourage you to come because you're going to pick up some tips from people who've been in this business a long time, and I really would love for you to have this kind of training because it's just vital to a healthy business. So, and you get to meet the other jewelers and hang out with us every Wednesday night for the next, I think it's like 6 weeks. So, if you have any questions, just send me a private message and I will try to help you out.